Welcome everyone to my first joint presentation today. I'm delighted to introduce Julie Ferrigno, who is R&D engineer at E2ip Technologies. And to the right, you see Arnold Kell, who is the research officer at the National Research Council of Canada. And today they will share a bit of information about their molecular ink applied to printed and in-mold electronics. Julie, over to you.
Thank you very much, Christophe, for the introduction. So I will start this presentation by introducing E2ip Technologies. We are a company based in Montreal, in Canada. Primarily, our expertise is in screen print and HMI solutions, but over the years, we took a special focus on innovation and scientific research, and that has led us to create new possibilities in printed electronics through advanced material science, and also to develop innovative smart surface solutions, and I will go into the details a little bit later. So in numbers, E2ip, we're about 400 employees, including engineers, designer, R&D team, obviously, technicians, project leaders. We have 3 manufacturing sites, 2 in Montreal and 1 in Casablanca, Morocco. We also have design centers in Montreal, Minneapolis, and Phoenix. We are certified by the most demanding standards, such as AS9100, and we also certify and qualify our products for various industry standards, such as aerospace, military, medical, industrial. Thanks to the partnership that we developed through the years with different university and institute, and especially with the NRC, we have now a portfolio of more than 15 patents in 12 key technologies. So as I said, we developed a very strong partnership with the National Research Centre of Canada, and I will let Arnold introduce the NRC. Thank you.
Thank you, Julie. So for those of you that are not familiar with National Research Council, we are Canada's largest federal research and development organization, and it's our mandate to create research excellence. In order to carry out our mandate, we attempt to apply or advance knowledge, apply that knowledge to developing key new technologies, and work with partners and innovators, for example, technologies, in order to bring that technology forward and make it available to the public through products. Really what we strive to do is have an impact on the socioeconomic condition in Canada, and we hope that we can do our best to improve that. So in the upper right-hand corner of the slide, you can see that we have research centers strategically located throughout the country, and we employ around 4,000 professionals. The work that I'm going to speak about today has been carried out at the Automotive and Surface Transportation Research Facility in Boucherville, Quebec, as well as the Security and Disruptive Technologies Research Center in Ottawa, Ontario. And the focus of these two groups really is on the development and engineering of advanced materials. Next slide, please, Julie. And the advanced material really that brings together E2ip Technologies and National Research Council is molecular ink that we affectionately refer to as MINK. So molecular inks are a little bit different than the traditional inks that most people are used to, which are typically comprised of either silver flakes or silver nanoparticles, whereas MINK is comprised of silver precursors that can be decomposed following exposure to some type of trigger, so either heat or light, and they then convert into a conductive trace. These are interesting for a variety of reasons, one of which is that we believe it sort of brings together the best of both the flake and the nanoparticle worlds, where we can get conductivity closer to what you would get with nanoparticle traces, but a cost more closely associated with flake inks because you don't have to pre-synthesize nanoparticles and disperse them. There are some other nice advantages to MINK in that you can apply them to a variety of different printing techniques, all the way from screen printing and just direct ray based technologies that require high viscosities, all the way down to aerosol jet and inkjet printing that require much lower viscosities. If we can go to the next slide, please, Julie. Thank you. So molecular inks, the focus of the NRC and E2ip teams has really been to incorporating these molecular inks into scalable printing processes in order to enhance or enable the development of entirely new or enhanced